Does dental insurance cover implants? Hello everyone, I'm Christina, the Finance and Treatment Coordinator here at Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery. Today we're tackling a common question: does insurance cover dental implants? Understanding your insurance coverage is crucial when considering dental implants, so let's break it down. First, let's briefly discuss what dental implants are. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are surgically placed into your jawbone to support a replacement tooth or a bridge. They are a popular and effective solution for missing teeth, but their cost can be an investment, which brings us to the question of insurance coverage. Now, when it comes to insurance coverage, the answer is, it depends. Here are some key points to consider. First, types of insurance plans. Not all dental insurance plans cover implants. Many traditional dental implants may classify implants as a cosmetic procedure, which means they might not be covered. However, some plans specifically offer coverage for dental implants. Second, coverage levels. If your plan does cover implants, it may only cover a portion of the costs. This can range from 10% to 50% depending on the specifics of your plan. Third, related procedures. Even if implants are covered, your plan may cover related procedures such as extractions, bone grafting, or the crown that goes on top of the implants. These can help reduce your overall expenses. To find out what your specific insurance covers, here are some steps you can take. First, contact your insurance provider. Call your insurance company and ask about your coverage for dental implants. Be sure to have your policy number handy for reference. Second, ask about in-network providers. If your dentist is in-network with your insurance, they may have negotiated rates that can save you money. Third, request a predetermination. Some insurance companies allow you to request a predetermination of benefits, which gives you a clear understanding of what will be covered before you undergo treatment. If your insurance doesn't cover dental implants, don't worry. There are alternative payment options available. Third-party financing. Consider third-party financing options like Proceed Patient Financing or Cherry Patient Financing. They offer easy applications and competitive rates to help manage the cost of your dental implants. Health savings accounts, HSAs. If you have a health savings account, you can use those tax-free funds to help cover the cost of dental implants. In conclusion, whether insurance covers dental implants varies by plan, but it's essential to check your specific coverage details. Even if implants aren't covered, there are various financing options available to help make them more affordable. If you're considering dental implants and want to discuss your insurance options or financing plans, I encourage you to schedule a consultation with us at Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery. Our team is here to help you navigate your options.